Welcome back to another Boniface Rides XL185 Build series video. In this video, I'm going to be cleaning up the seat pan and putting on my new seat cover that I got sent. It's nice and fresh. I'll also be putting on a custom sticker that I got made for the front. That should come up really nice. I'm stoked to put that on. Also finally got sent a front sprocket cover from Japan. These are quite hard to find. And the one that was on the bike was broken, so I've finally got one that I can clean up and put on. I'm planning to get a start on the tank as well. It's quite a process, but I'm sure I'll get there. So watch along and enjoy the video. The sticker was made by a company in the UK on eBay. I saw the design and I thought it was perfect for the era of the bike. I think it looks sick. There's the ratty old seat cover as well. It's quite worn, quite grubby, and it's just falling apart. And that's the way the new seat cover is going to look. Cleans up the bike a hell of a lot. It'll look a lot better when it's taut and tight as well. Quick update as well. I got new shocks for the bike. These are called Ozo Elite shocks from InMotion. They're trial shocks for a TLR 250. So they're longer than the original shock, which gives me more length, more travel, and it also makes the bike steer better because if it's sitting a tiny bit higher in the rear, it actually steepens up the rake, so it's more agile. These are a gas-filled shock. They've got adjustable rebound damping. They've got a dual spring rate. And I've got a set of these on my TLR 200, and it's crazy the difference these make. These are one of the best shocks that you can get for a twin shock, and they're only quite cheap as well. So it was a must for the XL. But I'll get these on and we'll see how they look. So that's how they look on the bike. A really nice shock with the silver body and the chrome springs. They look really quite premium. They definitely top off the look for this thing. Forgot to mention as well, I got the sprocket cover all painted up and installed as well. So that's done finally. Now it's time to move on to the seat pan. So my plan to go about this is to strip the seat cover, see the condition of the foam, and then strip all the paint and all the rust off the seat pan, and then repaint it, refurbish the foam if I need to, and then install the new seat cover. It's not 100%, but I think it'll be usable. It's quite hard to try to find decent condition seat pans and seat foams for bikes this old. At least I haven't seen any for XLs, so now it's just time to start on the seat pan. Seat pan has a little bit of a crack in the front of it as well here, where my thumb is, but like I said, it's quite hard to try to find these seat covers. I might do a little repair, but all in all, it's all there. So, start buffing. undercoated the seat pan, gotten rid of all the rust, and now I'm just going to paint it with black epoxy enamel, the same paint that I used on the frame. And hopefully this seals it up well, and then I can get back to putting the foam on and the new seat cover. I also got a bunch of these Midas tire stickers and I got to put on just for an extra little touch, promote the brand a little bit if I can. So let's see how these go. Looks cool. Alright, so I've got my seat pan all painted up. All the rust is gone. It actually came out fairly clean. So now I'm just going to stick down the seat foam. I'm going to use quick grip to stick it down and then fit the seat cover. I haven't actually fitted a seat cover with a metal pan before, so we'll see how it goes. It doesn't look like much fun, but I'll give it a crack anyway. So let's get into it. The seat cover's fitted up. It was actually a bit easier than I thought it was going to be, and it's a really quite nice fit. I'm actually stoked on how it's come up. Now it's time to fit up all the mounting brackets, so I cleaned up all of these as well. Got all the rust off and painted them in the same paint. So I'll fit these up now. Seat cover's on and all the mounting brackets are on to mount to the frame and to the tank. I'm also waiting on two little rubbers that sit underneath the seat pan. They're coming from Netherlands. So let's get it back on and see how it looks. In the meantime of waiting for the paint to dry on the seat pan, I also got new levers for the bike. I put the clutch cable on. And I'll be installing the front brake cable in an upcoming video. It's actually a bit long, so I'll be showing how to shorten the cable so it pulls better, and then also mods on how to get the most out of your drum brake brakes on your bike. So there you go. That's how it looks on the bike. I'm so happy with how this thing come up. Looks really clean on the bike. I'm not sure if this is the actual correct year model seat cover for this bike as well, but that's the fun of building your own bike, is you get to play around and make your bike look exactly the way you want. It's just your own preference, and I am so stoked with this. So next video, I'll be cleaning up the tank and the side covers and painting them, taking dints out. This will be quite a process, but I'm keen to get that done because then it's just little bits and bobs and then I'm riding this thing. So stoked. Thanks for watching as well. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next exciting episode.